Hey guys, check this out. I am so excited to bring you a brand new video to do a comparison between the brand new 2025 K4 and the old generation KIA Forte. Now, if you've been following Kia, you know they've been working hard to make a comeback in the US especially. We have the EV9 who's been killing people since it comes out. We have a Telluride who's been killing people since it's come out. And Kia feel like they can do the same on the sedan part, right? So on 2021, they changed the Optima to K5. Now for the 2025, they changed, I know we are on the 2024 now, but for the 2025 Forte, they changed the design and they changed the name to Kia K4. Now, if you are wondering why the K4, well, overseas, it's been always like that. So if you are overseas, you will always have the K4. In the US, you had the Forte. Now, Kia decided to make it the name globally. Wherever you are, you will have one name, right? 2025 Kia K4. Now, for the Forte, it's gone. So, in this video, my job is to show you the design differences between these two generations. The brand new Kia K5 and the old generation Kia Forte. That's going away. Some of you may like it, some of you may miss it when it's gone, but check this out. Now, my goal again is to show you the design, the exterior design and the interior design. And your job is to let me know down below in the comment section what you think about the design, which ones you like better. And as for the name, it's like the K4 and the Forte. Do you think Kia are doing something smart by doing this? Let me know down below in the comment section. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So, when it comes to this comparison, Kia started from the key fob itself. When you look at the key fob, this one is for the 2024 Forte, and this is the 2025 Kia key fob, right? This one, you still have the old style, the key where you have to get inside the car, physically start the car. For the new Kia Forte, K4 I should say, you have a remote start. Just to let you know, both these vehicles are the same trim level. On the Kia Forte, this is the Forte LXS, and the Kia K5, this is the LXS. So they are pretty much the same. The difference is the K5 bring new features that become standard, whereas you don't have to go to a higher trim to get those features. Yes, that's why you heard me right. You have remote start on the key fob, whereas both of them still same trim level, but Kia making things like that standard on the brand new K4. You don't have to go to a higher trim level to get those nice features. So when you look at those two vehicles, let me know down below in the comment section what you think about the design. This is the front of the Kia 2024 Forte right now. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think. All right, so you have this nice design on top of the projector lights right there. So unfortunately on this one, you did not have LED daytime running light. So we have that brand new Kia logo that has been going on since 2022, if I'm not mistaken, since 2023 I should say. You have the nice design over there, and down here you have more matte black finish for the vent right there. So this is how the design was like on the Forte, on the 2024 Kia Forte. So move to the side, you have 16 inches alloy wheels, so you have a nice design wheels, right? I did like the design of the wheels. Again, let me know down below in the comment section what you think down below in the comment section. What you think about the wheel itself. All right, so this is the side of the vehicle. There's nothing much to see. It's just really simple, clean, unlike its sister Elantra, who has all those designs. The Forte was just simple on the side, right? So moving to the back, this is how the back look like, right? This is how the back look like on the Kia Forte. You have that nice tail lights go all the way. So that tail lights, I believe it was LED tail lights, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me down below in the comment section if I'm wrong, but I believe it was LED tail lights. So I have that nice lights all over from one side to the other. You have your reverse lights right there, and more grills at the bottom, matte black finish grills on the bottom. So this is how the back looks like. All right, guys, let me show the interior design of the Kia Forte, okay? So this is how the interior looks like. Again, this is the 2024 Kia Forte. This is how it looks like. This is the door panel, the driver's side. You have all your powers, your window power here. You have manual adjustable seats. This is your steering wheel. This is where to control your wheel. And also on this car, you have like your lane keeping assistant, lane departure warning, all those things. Let me go inside to show you more. So this is your 8 inches touch screen, LCD touch screen. This is how your cluster looks like. It was nothing fancy, right? So you have your AC button right here, AC, the rear vent, not vent, but you know, the rear defroster right there. So this is it. You have one USB-A right there. You have another one to charge your phone. So this car had wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So this is where you plug it for the wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you have your radio right there, everything, your media, everything, just simple, clean. So take a look at it, guys. Simple and clean. All right, so this is how the back seat looks like. Nothing fancy, there's nothing on the back, not vents, not where to plug your phone. It's just a simple back seat, all right? So for that trunk, surprisingly, even though the Forte a little bit smaller than the K4, the trunk Forte is bigger. The trunk Forte is 1 inch long, bigger than the K4, surprisingly. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to tell you why that is. So this is the seat, the trunk. Like I said, this trunk is a little bit bigger than the K4, which I'm going to show you. You may not see the difference, but there's 1 inch longer on this one than the Forte. Again, I'm going to show you why that is, okay? So this is it, guys. This is the 2024 Kia Forte. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think about the exterior design and also the interior design. Now, let's take a look at the Kia K4. Now, when you're looking at this vehicle, one thing comes to mind. Now, that's not just me, but when you look at the vehicle just like this right here, don't you feel like it looks like the EV6, the front right here? Let me know if I'm wrong. The front right here to me feels like an EV6, and that's a good thing. That's great because the EV6, I love the EV6. But when you zoom out, you see there are differences. I like the light. Oh, the lights. I really like the lights on this vehicle. You have LED daytime running lights. You have those 3 LED headlights right there, which is really great, really nice. This is the front. It's really nice. Now, one thing the K4 does not bring, which any other competition bring, is the hybrid. The K4 does not have a hybrid on it, which I don't know why Kia does that. They don't bring a hybrid on the K4, nor the K5 does not have a hybrid either. So I don't know why. So this is the side of the vehicle. Again, so this one is 1 inch longer than the Forte, right? This one 1 inch longer, but so on the mirror you have your blind spot right there on the mirror, which you did not have on the Forte. And this is the massive screen. This is 25 inches, 12.5, 12.5 on either side. So this is how it looks like. This is the door panel. So as you can see, a whole new difference on the inside, right? So let me go inside. Let me start the car to see the differences. You have a nice panel right there for your digital cluster right there, right? And the steering wheel also, it's kind of fancy design on the steering wheel. I'm gonna zoom out to show you in a little bit. So on this is the rear screen right there. So down here, you have more things going on here for you. You have 2 USB-C right there. This is where you start the vehicle. You have push to start right there. This is how your center console looks like, right? Again, this is the interior of the 2024 to 2025 K4. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think. As you can see, a whole new design altogether. So it's not just a name change, but the design also completely different from the Forte. And I don't know about you guys, I love it. I love it, I love the design. So in order to get to the back seat, this is how you open the door. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Right, so it's nothing here. So this is right there. This is the whole design on the side of the vehicle. So you have a curve come from here. A curve come from here all the way on the side. I'm hoping you can see very well. Let me zoom it like that to see if you can see the curve. You have a nice curve right there. So in order to open the back door, this is how you open it right here. This is where you open it right here. So this is the back seat. Again, this is the LXS, not even the fancier one. Yet you have 4 USB-C. You have 2 up front and 2 in the back. USB-C right here. All right. So, and the seat also, the design of the seat, I kind of like. Let me go back on the front. This is the design, the headrest of the seats. I really like it. Now let me show the trunk of the vehicle and let me show the back. So this is the back of the 2024 on the 2025 Kia K4. I love it. I love everything about it. I like the design, the style of the LED tail lights. Yeah, I like everything about this vehicle. So let me know down below in the comment section. And unlike the Forte, on the Forte, in order to open the trunk, you have to have the keys with you, or you have to open it from the inside. Here, you have a button to open the trunk right there. And this is the trunk. Like I said, this trunk is 1 inch smaller. You may not see the difference, but and both cars are 40-60 flip. Mean like, you know, the back seat drop 40-60. So this is it, guys. This is the 2024 Kia Forte and the 2025 Kia K4. So let me know down below in the comment section which ones you like better, right? So the color of this one is radiant red and black interior. This one is a nice gray and stellar gray and a medium gray interior. So this is it. This is the 2024 Kia Forte and the 2025 Kia K4. Let me know down below in the comment section what else you want to see between these two cars and what other comparison you would like to see. Okay? So let me know, guys, down below in the comment section. Okay? And also make sure to subscribe, click this notification bell, because I'm going to bring you a video about the Kia K5. Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out on that video.